In this episode, we'll create the radiator fins for this pump. There are two ways to do this. You can either create a nested family using the metric generic model, face-based template, or, since the fins in this pump are a permanent shape, you can simply draw them directly within the pump family. Let's start with the first method. In this example, the fins will be arrayed radially along the pump body, meaning they're placed around a cylindrical surface rather than on a flat plane. When you draw a shape, Revit identifies it based on the projection planes in its environment. For a metric generic model, Revit automatically treats reference level 0 as the ground. Let me create a fin quickly to demonstrate. Now, if you try to array a metric generic model radially, the entire shape will swivel, and that means the ground will swivel too, even though reference level 0 is fixed. This leads to an error that says, element cannot be mirrored or rotated in a manner that changes its angle relative to the ground. To solve this, we use the metric generic model, face-based template. In this template, Revit defines the top of the pre-made simulation box as the ground. So when you array the fins radially, Revit recognizes the rotation correctly and no error occurs. After drawing the fin according to the reference image, load it into the pump family. You'll notice that the fin will only appear when you hover over a specific surface. Once placed on the pump body, you can fine-tune its position in the reference level view. Next, choose Array, switch to Radial mode, and you'll have two options. You can either enter a rotation angle, for example, 180 degrees and press Enter. Or choose Place mode. Select the center point, then define the start and end points of your circular arc. This method lets you control the arc length more freely. Finally, adjust the number of fins in the array to complete the pattern. If you prefer the simpler method, you can draw the fins directly inside the pump family. Go to the left view and sketch the fin profile. If you see that the fin is locked to the center front-back plane. Here's a quick tip to unlock and array it freely. Cut the fin to clipboard, then paste it back aligned to the same place. You can now move and array it without restrictions. Then, array the fins just as we did before. And that's how you create radiator fins for the pump, using either a nested face-based family or drawing them directly within the main family. About the radial array tool, by understanding how Revit reads reference planes and choosing the right family template, you can avoid these errors and create smooth, accurate radial arrays every time.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.